We pledge ourselves to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness was said.
The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road is a crunch time, crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time, tough time. All who they a walk goes on the tear and the other face tough time.
That's all you know.
Just roll up your weight and a nothing for your giant, them your rough time.
Simple thing to a giant.
Life is a delicate subject and a predicate. Badness does elevate, fuck a lot of delegate. Mama say never the fret, youths now we say intellect. Mistake which I correct, live life without regret. The ladder of success we feature. Fly prison door, give me the visa. With jailhouse man a star and clean. And the dirty might have but we clean.
You're fine, you're fine. Tell a pussy with a run lip dog. Like Chinese wall, so the clip tall. Push it up and make you fall from a distance. You know what? Man a big dog.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. Yo, a little waragwan with Byron Messia and Teejay up top boss. And me a jump in it and me a give my 2 cents. Now, I want to know, me as a man, I don't really like Byron Messia, but for this, me a go give my honest opinion. So let's go.
IUTC represent man. Oh no, don't bad. Hey, I wish waste man a program the fool. Them no killer and me know that they true. Put up on the scope and me aim and me zoom. Me da bust up alone if you know what me know. Port more head a float on the shore. Send a rifle for port on the road. Rifle for port on the road. Aye, your breath full of gun and contraband. I kill boy, we no beat up a fracture man. When the pussy we wrap up head, I feel like him a Saddam. Put him a tick at your head and make something go so radam. Right and face it, could be no rap. Go out so me push it rifle, something like a pram. Touch your body, disappear, magician. Left you in a body bag. How the pussy them a make talk so.
Well, that was Teejay theme this track. Well, me like how it sound, it bouncy, and it sound good. Teejay have a good melody. From him do the tune up top boss, me know say yo, Teejay was here to stay. But before we go, I'ma talk about how me feel about the situation. Make we hear what Byron I say right now. Let's go.
Taliban's when I buy like bitch. Shoot up the car with the pussy they my drip. No dog, me no fear that no bitch. See take clothes up every my tick. Yeah, Taliban's when I shoot and miss. Shoot up the car with the pussy they my drip. No dog, me no fear that no bitch. See take clothes up every my tick. Oh fuck up in ya. We a killer gun man, you fuck up in ya. C6 full of be a killer. We kill a man, then we book a villa. This clear. Me send a killer, ya give a pumpy shot, take off the rest of him way. Be a bat, we a flying at the cave. Fashy pussy, them a dripping at the way. So me roll pan him, roll pan the trigger like way.
Now my viewers, on the hear Teejay, I want to hear Byron. Which one of the things sound better? Well, you see Byron tune, me nah lie. It has send more shot on Teejay than Teejay's tune I send shot pan Byron. Teejay tune bad enough, nice melody and everything cause you are up top boss, but the young youth here Byron, the shot them when him a send are some serious shot. You can't say them youth here come for take over, them come for kill you. If you listen to him lyrics, him come for kill you. You understand? And that's what me get from this. Now, I have not looked at the views of these two clash music, but may I give my honest opinion. Now, when Byron first came out, I still don't have too much for Byron, cause I just think that he never went through the grinds like say Prince Swanee then. Cause Prince Swanee, he's been there and back, you understand? So I look at dancehall as it's a culture, but it's also you have to live dancehall to kind of understand it. And I feel like Byron, him kind of get an easy ride, which that is cool. You know what I'm saying? Because that's how it is in these days and time. Cardi B came out with that song, rap song, and she went #1. A lot of artists come out like that. So, you know, yeah. But like I say, right now, I think Byron, his song is bigger than the Taliban, is bigger than Drift. I heard they got in argument over some bullshit, and then Byron tell Teejay go suck him mother, cause you know I guess Byron has step out of him shoes now. So you know, we can sleep all we want on these young boys, but them young boys there, you know, the man them kind of real with them thing, and you know, them will come gun you down, you know. Cause just look on Trinidad what's going on in Trinidad. Well, me hear them say Byron make a comment say Theme song are the biggest song in the last umpteen years. Reggae tune. Maybe it's not 100% factual, but his song is the fastest reggae song dancehall mixed with, because I guess the beat is a little bit, you know, Afrobeat / dancehall, but theme dancehall true, it went to an exponential rise. You understand? So Byron, his song brought him into the business, just like I said earlier, Cardi B or one of these rappers who come out with a song and it hit #1 and then it fly off the rack. So Byron, his song did set some kind of record, you know what I'm saying? Because with Byron, I'm quite sure he has more money than Teejay, because the way his song rose to the top, it was like a force of thunder. Nothing couldn't stop it. Like a rolling bull. You understand? Like a locomotive without brakes. And that's how Byron thing is. You just have to be real with the thing. You know, Z-Tech, Kwame them are actual US millionaire. You understand? So that's where it's at. Now, I wanted to make one point before I leave. Like I said, I give this one to Byron, but I would like to make one point before I leave. And if you guys notice, Byron came to Jamaica, linked up with Sean Kingston, and him link up with Chris Brown. I was about to say Chris Rock. And they went to one of the grittiest part of Jamaica, if not the grittiest part of town, where we say ghetto and hood, Tivoli Gardens, and did a video and represent the crowd. You see what I'm saying? I represent the community. I don't see Teejay doing those kind of things and doing what these young men are doing. So, you know, these young men, they sing, like I said, but they're actually in Tivoli Gardens, repping Tivoli Garden with Titi Man them and the presidential clique. So I mean, that's a force to reckon with. I don't see no Jamaican artist doing anything like that. So I just wanted to make that clear. with that said, me give Byron that one, yeah. Just on the strength of the lyrics from me hear him drop on Teejay. And also, the Taliban song, it sell more than Drift. Drift is a hit song, but the Taliban song sell more than it. And like me say, it's a good thing when we can have a lyrical war and not a real war. You see what I'm saying? If we want to look on the two man them background, Teejay come from Montego Bay. And you know say him with the gunman them down there and the scammer them. You understand? And G-City and the works. And then you have Byron now. Him link with the 6 man them from over Trinidad. So, you know, Byron, him kind of put Trinidad music on the map. And him put back a strength in our dance or reggae. So, yeah, Byron, me give that one, yeah. Listen, let me know what you think about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.